Bank of America reporting quarterly results. God bless you. Leslie Picker's going to do them. Joins us now with the numbers. Hey, Leslie.
Hey, Joe. Thank you. Bank of America shares higher in pre-market trading after reporting second quarter net income up 19% to more than $7 billion. Per share earnings came in at 88 cents, beating consensus by 4 cents per share. Revenue of $25.3 billion, also surpassing analyst estimates. Higher interest rates made for more profitable lending as the firm has about $600 billion worth of no interest checking accounts that helped keep funding costs lower. Net interest income, which is the profitability metric that stems from loan making, that was up 14% to $14.3 billion, pretty much in line with where analysts expected it to come in. Global banking also propelling earnings higher, with the firm saying it notched its highest revenue quarter for that division, up 29% year over year. Even investment banking fees were higher amid an industry-wide slump. Within trading, fixed income currencies and commodities beat analyst estimates and was up about 18%. Equities came in a little light relative to where the street was expecting and also declined year over year. Expenses were higher during the quarter, up 5% to $16 billion. Some of that stemmed from higher FDIC insurance costs as well as regulatory costs associated with some of the discrepancies that the bank had with the Fed's stress tests. BofA also reporting a market value of $105 billion in unrealized losses from its held-to-maturity portfolio as bond prices have fallen. Still, Bank of America said it reported its most profitable first half of the year, except for in 2021, where there were those large reserve releases after COVID. This quarter encompassed a $1.1 billion provision expense. The card loss rate ticked higher to 2.6% in Q2, up nearly 40 basis points from Q1, but still below those pre-pandemic levels from 2019. Bank of America said consumers continue to spend, albeit at a slower pace, with combined credit and debit card spending up about 3%. I'll be chatting with Bank of America CEO Brian Moynihan this afternoon in a first on CNBC interview. Guys.
Wow. That was phenomenal.
Thank you.
You are hired.
You should get the job.
Can I send you a list for the next 3 weeks? Was that not
a list of earnings he would like done for him, Leslie?
Yes, that's exactly what I'm talking. Because that was.
You got it, Joe.
You blanketed that. Leslie. You know what? We talked about Bank of America a lot, and it's my bank. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what needs to be done. He's very earnest, trying to do a great job. But wow, it has not been a big performer for the last 10, 15 years. I had to go through the crisis and everything else. I wouldn't know. I have no idea what is needed at Bank of America at this point. I don't know. Do you have any suggestions? A reboot? I can't find a teller.
Coming to the brain trust here?
If my life depended on it, I couldn't get a teller at the place, and I've walked out a few times. So I'm not sure what the answer is, but no one uses a teller. I hear, Andrew, you can take a picture of a check and deposit it.
You can. I do it all the time. Regularly. I have not deposited a check in a physical bank in years.
I do that.
Easy.
I know I do it. I've done it. I know I've done it.
You've heard about it?
I thought you were serious.
No, I do that.
He's still trying to find the slot in the computer where you put the credit card.
I have not. I don't buy things online. But I don't shop. I don't. As I said, I have everything. I have everything except someone as good as Leslie to do all these earnings.
Well, I was actually a teller once, Joe. So
no way.
Yeah, it was my job in college. Summers in college.
Talk about a bank.
That's where I learned how to cover banks. It was my experience as a teller back in college. Local community bank in Kansas.
Leslie, what was the biggest amount anybody ever asked you for in terms of cash?
Oh gosh, it was no more than like a couple $1,000s.
Did you have one of those?
Definitely. I mean,
those things are cool.
Kansas, so yeah.
How do those
it'd be a little
work?
different maybe out here, but.
Where in Kansas?
It was Leawood, Kansas.
You're not in Kansas anymore.
Was there a special button under the counter in case there was like a heist or something?
No, not that big. There probably should have been. No, it was. I mean, everything was locked, and there were all these different protocols you had to have. But no, I had to balance my drawer every day, make sure the money was correct. It was very stressful.
Isn't that what Hell or High Water was? I think they were knocking off banks out there somewhere. Great movie.
Yeah.
Oh, you've seen it? phenomenal.
Yeah.
Jeff Bridges, God, I love that guy, the dude.
They make you do that as part of training if you're working at the bank.
I know.
Yeah.
I wish actually.
Right.
For a summer gig, they didn't give me as much
It was
anti-heist training.
It was that and Catch Me If You Can.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
The other day.
Washing your check.